Hello, childrens. How are you? So, I am here, Megha Miss, your drawing teacher. Today, I am going to teach you very interesting topic. You will also like it. After so many days, you are doing drawing. So, I will show you how step by step you have to draw, and after that, how step by step you will color it. So, here we go. Here we start. See, our topic is dolphin in the sea. We are going to make two dolphins playing with ball and in the water. So, this is your page and you have to draw sleeping in that. So, you have to make big picture. Don't draw small children. You have to draw sleeping, and then I will tell you how you will first start. This is your page size. Then you have to divide your page in two equal parts. That is the division of the sky and the water. So in your page, half water will look and half sky will look. We will start with our wave lines for showing the water effect. Like this, you will draw your curve lines for showing the water effect like this. Then second line, again you will continue with the same gap. Again third line, you will continue here. Yes, like this. Yes, to show the water effect, we will draw the curve lines. Yes, like this. Then after that, I have you will make another curve line. Then down also you will make the curve lines, but the lines starting and ending to downwards. Yes, like this. See from where it is starting, children, from where I have drawn. Yes, exactly like this. Then the remaining part you will make the another curve lines. Yes, like this. See, now our water part is over. Now we will make dolphin. For making dolphin, you have to make S-shaped curve line. S-shape, you know, no, children? Make S-shape. See how I am making? Yes, like this. Then another S-shape, another curve line. It should be broad from up and it should be thin at down. Like this, right? Then middle part you have to rub. The middle lines inside the fish you have to rub. Yes, exactly like this. Then now, yes, rub it properly. Then now I will draw the mouth of the dolphin using U shape or V shape. Then down part. Then this middle line will continue downward. Yes, like this. Then now make the joint at loin, children. Now I will draw the fish tail. It is also a V shape. You will find it very easy to make it as you have drawn fish many times. Now we will make the wings of the fish. Make a V shape again, and this is the big wing. Now make a small wing. Yes, like this. Now the last one is the more smaller because it is the back side of the fish. Yes, like this, make it very small. Now make eyes of the fish. For that, first make a line and then a mountain shape, then eyeball inside that. So our one fish is ready. We will show another fish, but it is half only, half it is inside water. Now make a S shape again, another S shape. Yes, like that. Then mouth of the dolphin, again you will use U shape for making mouth. Yes, like this. And then second line. Now again we will make a wing as we made first using U shape like this. Then make eyes using mountain shape, then eyeball. Now our both the dolphins are finished. Now we have to make a ball. For that you make a circle first. How much big I have made, don't make small. Then inside a small circle and curved lines to show the design of the ball. Yes, exactly like this. So like this we have finished our drawing. Now same you have to color. We will color using many shades. Our drawing is finished. See, I will show you coloring step by step. We are going to use all these colors. See, light green, red, yellow, light blue, white, grey and black. I have, yes, like this all the colors you take, and then like this you can even outline to your picture. It will look more beautiful. Give a nice outline border to your picture, and then you will start coloring. First we will color fish. For that I am taking grey color. See from where I am starting. Yes, from there, not from the mouth. Inside the mouth that line is there, from there I am starting my gray color. Like this you will go down, till down you will color. Two shades we are going to use, white and gray. We are going to use shading. Yes, continue till down, but don't do full. I will show till where you have to do. See, till here I have left the middle part for giving white color shading there. There don't do any color. We will merge white color in that for giving a nice shading to our fish. Now see, take white color and merge it very carefully. Color should be merged. Start giving white color, merging with the gray color. Merge with the tail also our white color. Yes, exactly like this. See, our color is merged and fish is looking very beautiful with two shades, white and grey. Same way shading we will give in the wings also. So first give in the mouth full grey, then again in the big wings half you will color grey, then half white. First give half wing grey color, yes, like this. Then remaining half we keep it like this only. Then first color the other two wings with the grey color half, yes. Then again remaining with white color we will shade it. Merge it very carefully, otherwise white color effect will not look good. Merge it very nicely our white color. See how I am doing like that. Yes, it is merged, it is looking nice. Same other two wings too, like that. Other fish already I have done grey, and where shading I have to do, I will do now. See, this much part I have done grey. Here again give grey, yes, full grey. Then in the wing we will give shading of grey and white. Half give grey and then half give white. Yes, like this. So like this our both the fishes are completed with the shading. Okay, now we will do water. This wave lines we will color. Now I am using two shades for that also, light blue and white. So first we will start with light blue color. Start giving in the first line. Yes, I have started from the left side. Keep in mind children, from left side. Okay, and don't color the full line. See how much I am doing. Yes, only half I have done with light blue. Now we will continue half line shaded with white. Now we will use white color. Then again you will merge in blue color and give the shading of blue and white for giving a beautiful combination. Yes, like this. Now children, another line, you will not start from left side, you will start from opposite side. Okay, so that color will look more nice. See, from other side I have started blue. Now I will stop here, then half I will continue with white. Now color it with white. Do that shading remaining part with white. Again we will take blue color for third line. Then we will start again from left side. Yes. Yes, like this we will continue till middle, half part with blue color, and then again half part with white color. Bus, we will start merging blue with white. like this. It will look very beautiful, children, with white and blue. Other lines also same way you will do all the wavy lines with both the colors. And see, I have done all the lines with same shade, light blue and white. Okay, now a background of sky, again we will give shading of two colors, that is red and yellow. Even you can use dark orange also for that. Dark orange will also look good. I am using, see, this dark shade. We will start first and we will start giving above the water first. So I am giving my color. See, it should not be merged inside the water. Give it very properly, children. Then half only I am giving this color, this dark shade, not full, because half we will give our light shade, that is yellow. Like this, only half you will color orange or red, and then half you will color with yellow. Merge the yellow color in the dark shade like this and complete the full sky background. Yes, exactly like this. Then both the colors are merged very nicely. Like this you have to merge, like this you have to complete the sky with two shades. Then I will color ball. We will again use two colors here. I am giving first dark green color in one side, then again you will leave one part of ball and give to another. Alternate, you will leave the color. Yes, like this, one part dark green and one part light green we are going to do. Now dark green part we have done, we will do light green now. So alternate, you will give dark green and light green. Okay, like this you will finish the ball with two shades of light and dark. Now the circle and two eyes of fish we are going to color black with black color. You will give black color. Do it very carefully, otherwise black color will merge and spoil your drawing, children. So give in both the eyeballs of the fish black color like this. So like this we have done. Now background we have to continue same shade of two colors like this. So I have done. See, like this you will finish, and like this your drawing is going to look. So it was very interesting, right, children? You will also enjoy, and when you will make, you will like it so much. So thank you, children. Bye.